everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you laser eyes effects on CapCut apps. So I have a Daenerys Targaryen photos here, and I want to duplicate it into two pictures, and I just have to click on the photos and then I click copy. So I have two photos here, and if you want to add a laser eyes effect, you can click on the effects, then click body effects, and in the hardware you can see the laser eyes, electric eyes, eye reflection, laser eyes 2, and then loving gaze. You can choose one of these effects. I will choose this one for the first photos and click save, and after that I move to the next photos and click body effects again, and I choose the laser electric eyes, okay, or maybe the laser eyes 2. Click save. So this is the result. So this is laser eyes effects on a CapCut app. So if you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.